Every 20 seconds, an infant requires a mom's attention. Okay, so you don't have a life anymore. We also know that the first couple of months, or 6 to 8 months, it means you're losing massive amounts of sleep. Now, when you're coming home with your first baby, and all of a sudden before people were circling around you and everyone asked you, how are you feeling? All of a sudden you're alone at home. Often you lose communication with your friends or your office mate. Now, some of the symptoms come automatically after like pregnancy and giving birth, right? Mm-hmm. But what we always say, if you're feeling, for example, that you have absolutely no energy. Now, every mom will tell you that I have no energy, very true, but very low energy. You're losing interest in all the things that you really loved before. You might have been an avid basketball player or you met with your friends. You don't want to do any of that. That's what we call anhedonia in psychology, right, or psychiatry. If you cannot sleep at all, and I know your baby will wake you up all the time, but if you feel, or you cannot never fall asleep, you can never wake up, that would be that. If you're feeling that you're increasingly isolating and you never did that before, if you have thoughts about harming yourself and you never had that before, it's like life is really not good anymore, it would be okay if I'll be dead if a bus rolls over me. If you feel actively like you want to harm yourself or your baby, these are huge warning signs. When you're having a child or getting ready to have one, leave your perfectionism at home, okay? Live with your little imperfections. There's nothing such as a perfect parent. Expect that even though you love your child, there will be moments when you hate that little creature, and just because he or she demands so much attention. Yeah, and then deal with it. It means it's a hormonal change in your body after you give birth. It will take its toll. Also, you might look at yourself and you might not be totally happy. You will have to lose a little bit of a weight. Give yourself some time. If you have a support network in form of maybe family or friends, make use of this, men and women. Call them in. Maybe they can help you to watch the little one for a couple of hours. Get a walk around the block. Yeah? All this is called self-care. Remember, if you don't put the oxygen mask on yourself first, you won't be able to do that for your child.